The Barren River has long been an important source of water, recreation, and flood control for communities in south-central Kentucky. But as the frequency and intensity of extreme weather events grow, so do the region's challenges. AT&T saw an opportunity to help the Barren River area prepare for what's ahead by leveraging data from the Climber portal. Every community faces unique challenges, so South Central Kentucky needed mitigation strategies tailored to its specific needs, vulnerabilities, and socioeconomic factors. The portal provides local leaders with detailed, localized projections for future extreme heat, drought, flooding, and wind conditions. For example, the data shows that by mid-century, the Barren River area could experience an extra week of extreme heat in the summer. Annual rainfall is also expected to increase by up to 5 inches, heightening the risk of flash floods and sinkholes threatening local infrastructure. Insights like these can help local leaders refine their hazard mitigation plans and focus resources where they're needed most. They can prioritize expanding cooling resources and heat awareness programs while reinforcing infrastructure to withstand floods and sinkholes. Through advanced data, analysis, and collaboration, AT&T is helping communities like those in the Barren River area build a stronger, safer, more resilient future.